Hello everyone. The problem today we are solving is the lead code problem number 9, that is the if number is a palindrome or not. Right. So let's understand what is the problem statement, right? So you have given an integer and you have to return true if that number is palindrome. And if that number is not palindrome, in that case you have to return the false. There are given the three examples. Yeah, first we will understand all these examples. At first input, you have given a number 121, right? So what is a palindrome? If I reverse a number, if I read number from here or read number from this side, both side it is same, right? So you can see here his number. If you are reading it from the front, it is 121. If you are reading from the reverse, it is again 121. In that case, yes, this number is palindrome, and you will return the true as an output. Second case, it is said that number is given minus 121, and if you read the number from backside, actually you will read it as 121 minus, right? So that's why this number is not considered as a palindrome. Third input that the Leetcode website says, that is the 110, and if you read from this number from here, this number is read as 01. In that case, this number is also not palindrome. So these are the different scenarios. Now we will try to identify how we are going to solve this particular problem statement. Let me clear it. Yeah. So take an example again, 121, right? So if I reverse that particular number, so 121 is the reverse of that particular number. So this is original number n, and this is reverse of that particular number n, right? So we see if the reverse of number and n are equal. So if n equal to reverse of number, in that case the number is palindrome. So now our problems becomes the how to we will do the reverse of a particular number, right? So let's try to understand how we can do the reverse of a number. We take any number. Okay, sorry, to the clear, and take any number error as an example. We are taking 1 2 and the 3, right? So you take reverse number, initialize it with the initially it's the 0, right? And what will you do? So we have to do the some steps. How many times? Equal to the digit that is the in the original numbers, right? So first we won't count the digit, but yeah, first we take the last digit from this number, right? We remove this particular digit and add it to the reverse. In the first step we did to the reverse number, and it becomes, I'm leaving some space here, and we did the plus this 3. So or this numbers becomes the 3, right? Second step, what we have to do, now we take another digit from this. Okay, what numbers left here? Here number left was the 12, right? Now we again take the second digit from this number and add it to the 2, but if we add it is becoming the 5, that is not the right case. So what we do with the reverse, that is in the previous case, we always multiply it with a 10 and add the current digit, right? So this thing becomes the 32 in this particular scenario. And now we take the next another digit. In the third step, what we do, the previous number, that is the 32, multiply it with the 10, and when we again add this one digit, and it becomes 3221. If you observe, this is the reverse. But why actually we followed this particular exercise? Let's try to understand that as well. Right, so when I wrote the number 1, 2, and the 3, this number is actually 100 plus 20 plus unit digit 3, right? But when actually I want to multiply this number's reverse number, that is the 321. In that case, actually this is 300 plus 20 plus 1, right? So what we actually doing? First time we taking this 3, multiplying it with the 10, right? And adding the so this is the first thing. Okay, I will just do it. Initially we had 0, multiply it with the 10, and then multiplying 3. And next time when we multiplying this number with the 10 and adding the 2, right? This is 0. So here the 3 digit, we have the 30 plus to 32. Again I am multiplying with the 10 and adding this particular digit as the 1. Right. So here you will observe if you take these 3 inside, 300 plus 20 plus 1. Right. This is the same case. So that's why we actually doing the how we are doing the reverse of the number. Let's move to the coding part now, right? So here we know if our x is less than 0, right? In that case, that number is not a palindrome at all. So in that case, we will return the false. Here we know the case if the I am naming it as the reverse number as a function x. If number is equal to reverse of number, in that case we will return the true, and otherwise returns the false, right? So this is the code for the palindrome function, but still we don't have the reverse of number methods with us, and I don't think if there is any utility function which provides it. So we have to write this function reverse number, and I'm writing it as the private, right? And it is the return type. Reverse of a number is also return type is the int, and we will do reverse number is take input as x as a number, right? And int, let's say reverse is the result initialized with the 0, and we are returning the reverse. Now we have to reverse the number x and store it in the reverse. So while x is not equal to 0, x में जब तक कोई भी डिजिट है 0 के अलावा, तब तक हम क्या करेंगे, होल नंबर कन्वर्टेड इनटू द 0, सबसे पहले हम क्या निकालेंगे, लास्ट डिजिट निकालेंगे यहाँ पे। और लास्ट डिजिट कैसे निकालते हैं, x परसेंटेज बाई 10 कर दिया तो इट विल गिव यू द लास्ट डिजिट. Now we have to store it in the reverse number. So reverse, we know we have to multiply it with the 10 and to store the last digit in it. Now x last digit must be removed. Now x must be smaller number. So ये हम कैसे कर सकते हैं, x को 10 से डिवाइड कर देंगे, last digit becomes removed. So this is our solution. Let's try to run it. And this is accepted and the question is done. Thank you.